Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to bold or underline text in a MS Word using a keyboard shortcut. So guys, if you want to bold text, so very easy. Firstly select it, after click on B, that is. And if you were to underline text, it's very easy. Firstly select it, after click on this icon, that is. Firstly select it. If you want to bold, so click on B. And if you want to underline text, so click on U, that is. And other way, firstly select it, click on here, U. As you like, select it and underline different design. That is. So guys, if you want to bold or underline text in MS Word using keyboard shortcut, so very easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.